All right, so I pulled it apart real quick, just checking out what we got. 3060 Ti, 12 gig, 16 gigs of DDR4. Not sure which processor it is. I think we've got an M.2 in there. Let's see if we can get that to focus. It's a mag board. It's got a thermal take Smart 600. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to throw the RAM back in, and I'm going to hook up a Corsair power supply that I have and just see if it fires. Because from my understanding, power supply died because it got a little bit of water in it. I mean, worst case scenario, everything's dead. Best case scenario, just the power supply died and tripped a breaker. Don't know, but I think that's what I'm going to do. So we'll see. Okay, one thing I noticed right out of the gate, I see some corrosion on that. That doesn't look good. Yeah. Makes me worry. Anyways, got the other power supply set up right here. I'm gonna get it all plugged in. I'll hook a monitor to it and I'll see what happens. But that is not looking good. All right, true test here. Got my power supply hooked up. Got a monitor over here hooked up. Basically, I'm just testing for a post. I haven't plugged it in yet because I'm kind of nervous. You never know with these things, especially when you've popped a power supply or something like that. But I'm going to give it the go. I'm going to plug it in right now and just make sure I didn't smoke anything. Okay. That's on. Yep. Power supply's plugged in. All right, here we go. Okay, we got nothing there, nothing there. The switch is off. Okay. We got nada. Nothing at all. That power supply is totally dead. Okay, so let's try this one and just make sure 100% that we don't see no lights coming on or nothing coming on in there. Okay, here we go. Nothing at all. That makes me nervous. Okay, so make sure I got everything's right. I got 8-pin, I got that, I got power buttons on. There is zero power to the board, it looks like. Just check. Oh, we got lights. It turned on. We got a monitor. We got a BIOS. Holy shit. Okay, so let's get a keyboard on here and see what happens. Okay, so I've got a keyboard mouse hooked up. I'm looking at here, so it's a B460 Tomahawk. It's a i5 1040F. It sees all the RAM. Yeah, that's looking good. Looking good. So there is a boot drive in here, but I don't want to boot it up on camera because it's somebody else's drive. I don't know. I should hook it up and see if it works, but yeah, no, this is a win. Obviously, I'll load some Windows 10 on it just to do stress test it or whatever I need to, just to kind of make sure it's running. But I think it just killed the power supply. I really do. That water concerning on that plug there was a little concerning, but it looks like that might be the only thing that died. Graphics card is working, which, I mean, that's a great graphics card. It's a budget card right now. Well, these days, you never know. Decent RAM. Like I said, it's detecting all the RAM. It's a B460, so, I mean, yeah, I think we got a win. Man, that ram speed is real slow though. 21:33. Oof. I don't dare try to do any overclocking or anything like that yet. But it detects them. It's got them. It's got both of them. So hell yeah. I'll keep you posted. This is cool. This is really cool. Yeah. Man, I'm glad it actually fired up. I was a little worried I was just going to eat my lunch on this thing. But yeah, no, we're good. We're good. All right, guys. Till next time. I'll post an update when I get it done.